All right, everybody, this is Mr. Seward, and I am going to show you how to set up what we're calling the vector cutting sheet. This is for our nameplate project, or this will work for any project that we're doing on our laser. Please remember that with vectors, the laser will cut through whatever the material is that we're using. In this case, it's a piece of 1/8 inch thick plexiglass. So how do we do that? All right, I'm going to go to the little plus sign. I'm going to say create a drawing. And then it doesn't matter what title block you choose. I'm just going to choose, let's see, I'm going to choose ANSI here. There we go, just a regular ANSI inch. So that's really all you need for this project. And this will take a second. It'll take more than a second, apparently. Oh, you know what? I didn't plug. I'm working on my laptop here, so I didn't plug it in. I'll plug it in. I'm not sure this is going to help me today, but whatever. And first thing, I'm not going to do any. I'm not going to put anything in to this thing yet, but I'm going to do the following. I'm going to get rid of all the insert commands. Now, I'm going to go up here, and I am going to completely enclose this title block. And I'm going to actually delete everything. So I've taken all of the stuff off of it. So I just enclose it all in a box and hit delete. Now I'm going to go back to my insert tool. I'm going to click on insert, and I'll go to my nameplate first, which is my long, larger, bigger part. I want to make sure that my view scale is set to 1:1. That's really important. Okay. And I'm just going to take, and I'm going to put this up here in this upper left-hand corner. And I'll press escape to get out of the insert. Now restart insert here. And I'll click on the word insert. And now I'm going to get the foot, part 1. Make sure that this is at a view scale of 1:1, which it is. And I'm going to hit escape. And then I'll insert again. And it's going to be the same part. So make sure I get my foot. Things are a little laggy today on the computer. Now I'm going to take these and I'm going to move them up close to the nameplate block itself. Okay. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I am going to create what's called a PDF. PDF files are, printer document files. They're things that are easy for computers to read, but the laser uses PDFs to make vector cuts. So anything I put on here is anything that's a line on this drawing is going to be cut out. So if I wanted my name to be in here, for instance, I could do that if I wanted with a note, or we can just do it on the laser also. Now, what I'll do is I will go to print. Let's see, where's print? It's right here. Okay, and I'll select the little printer icon, and I'm going to save it as a PDF, and I'll click save, and then I'm going to put this where I'd like it to be. I'm going to name this Seward. Well, I'll name it nameplate first of all. Nameplate Seward. Say save. And now when I go back, go look for this, I should be able to search for this. My last name's probably going to give me a lot of stuff, and it is. Anyways, I'm going to stop this. So what I do is I print it as a PDF. You're going to put that onto a USB drive, and we'll put this into the computer in the other room with the laser, and any graphics file. So if I wanted to put my little icon of a fly fishing scene, I can put that on there and onto that USB drive also, so a JPEG file, and we'll print it. So that's how we make the vector cutting sheet.